Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on YouTube, so please make sure to hit the like button and also share and subscribe my channel to get further updates on finance related topics. Let's get started with this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to calculate net present value or NPV in an Excel sheet. I'm using Excel 2016 model. So let's get started with this video. First of all, what we have to do is to make certain assumptions. Like here, my assumptions are, let's take cost of project, let it be 50,000, then the economic life for say 5 years, and the cost of capital, or you can say discount factor, let's take 10%, right? Next step is to create a column of year and cash inflow. So let's type year here and cash inflows. In year column, we have to write down 0, 1, 2, 3 and 5, as our economic life is of 5 years. In cash inflow, we have to assume some cash inflows. For first year, let's take 20,000. For year 2, let's take 18,000, right? Third year 15,000, fourth year 16,000, and for final year, that is fifth year, let's take 15,000. 0 year is the initial year, so cash inflow will be the initial investment, which is our cost of project, that is 50,000, right? In this way we have to prepare a data. Now it turns to calculate net present value. To calculate net present value, Excel provides a direct formula which you can get from formulas bar. In financial formulas, there is one formula called is equal to NPV. Through NPV we can calculate easily the net present value. So the first assumptions, the first criteria for NPV is the rate, that is C6, and the values which will be from 1 year to 5th year, right? When we press enter, we get a value, but this is not equal to the NPV. This is not the NPV actually. When we subtract this value to cost of project, when we subtract this with cost of project, we get the actual value. When we press enter, we get 14,569.61. This is actual NPV, right? So in this way we can calculate net present value directly from formula which is being provided by Excel itself. There is one more method to calculate, which is the present value. We can calculate NPV using present value. I'm showing you how to calculate it with using present value. So we have to make another column of present value. For year 0, we have to write a formula which is equal to, here is equal to is equal to cash inflows, which is C10 cell, then divided by 1 plus cost of capital, that is discount factor power 1, correct? Please note down this formula to calculate present value. So in this way we can calculate the present value. For year 1, it will be the same. The difference for the rest of year is just the cash inflows. So what we have to do is to fix the cell reference of cost of capital. Here I put the $sign with C6 column and then drag down to get all the result. So we don't need to calculate one by one. We just simply fix the cell reference of cost of capital, and hence we calculate the present value. Then next what we have to do is to sum all the present value, and we get a value which is the GPV, that is the gross present value. When we subtract it with the cost of project, we get our NPV, that is 14,569.61. hence you can see both giving the same result. So you can calculate either by using direct formula or using the present value. So this is the overall process how to calculate net present value in an Excel sheet. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to calculate internal rate of return, right? So till then, keep practicing and stay tuned, and please do share and subscribe my channel. Good luck. Bye bye. Thank you.